Hello and welcome to day 2 of INDIAWOOD. Let's go inside and see what's happening today. Don't miss this remarkable event for the furniture production and woodworking industry here in Bangalore for the next 3 days for you to make powerful connections. This year, we have also launched a Surface in Motion India, a one-day conference dedicated to decorative surface for wood-based materials. If you like to sum up INDIAWOOD in one word, how will you say that?
Consistency in the quality.
Amazing.
Marvelous.
Awesome. Spectacular. Great experience.
What an incredible day of powerful connections. Make sure you join us back again tomorrow to witness endless business opportunity for your business. Signing off.